there! Thanks for dropping by. My name is Angel. I am your Manilenya sa Isla. This video is gonna be about BULALACAO Waterfalls here in Nido, Palawan. BULALACAO Waterfalls is around 1 hour away from the town proper. You might want to add this falls to your itinerary. If you decide to visit BULALACAO Waterfalls, it's gonna be a fun trek, river trekking, and of course, dipping on that waterfalls. We are here by the entry point of BULALACAO Waterfalls, and I want you to meet my friend over there. Hi! Hello! Snobbish friend. Hello! Hello! I have been already living here in El Nido for almost 3 years, and this is going to be the first time I'll be visiting BULALACAO Waterfalls. So this is going to be a good, exploration for me. There are actually 2 ways for you to get here. One is via motorbike. You can drive all the way here. Motorbike rentals are around 400 to 600 pesos on a daily basis. And the second way for you to get here is to rent a tricycle or hire a tricycle. Now, as per the signages here, this is a private property, so gate pass is 30 pesos, entrance fee is 50 pesos. Start of trek. We hired a guide. His name is Michael, over there. And we're gonna pay him 300 pesos for the 3 of us already. A minute or 2 from the jump off, and we already did a river crossing. That's the first one. And the water is so cold. So cold. Another river crossing over here. Maybe we'll get used to the coldness of the water as we go along the way. You never know. River crossing number 3. This is gonna be river number 4. I love how diverse the trail of BULALACAO Waterfalls is. There are trails that are rocky, with mini boulders. There are parts of the trail that are grassland, and there are just, soil like this. So I think we'd be able to reach to the waterfall spot even without a guide. But of course, if you want to help the locals with their livelihood, this is going to be an extra for them. So why not, right? We are now at river number 5. Shallow. And I just want to share with you guys how fascinated I am with these trees. They're so tall. The leaves are just right up there. I can't believe that's how wide the routes are. Arrived at the entrance of BULALACAO Waterfalls. This place is amazing. It's actually well maintained. There are plants everywhere. And look at that grotto. Hi! Hi! Amazing! We are at the top of the first layer of the waterfalls, and that's the second, and that's the third. We have to climb that part, all the way to that part, because our guide is making us do so. Mado! We are getting further and further from the spot earlier, from the entrance spot earlier, and I am not really sure what we're gonna see by the end of it, but I actually appreciate the river trekking. We are already river trekking for 45 minutes now, and we still do not have any idea what it's gonna be like by the end of it, so just wait. And we the three musketeers decided to abort. I enjoyed the river trekking though. I mean, it's an experience. Back to regular programming! We will be on our way back. I appreciate you watching up until the end of this video. Thank you so much. And if you haven't yet, please do subscribe. And if you have questions about El Nido, about this video, you might want to comment down below. Bye!